In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the camera timer on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So open the camera app on your device, and once you've opened it, at the top you should see an icon. This is used for camera timing, so just tap on the icon and then you should see all these options you can use. You can use a 2-second timer, and to start the countdown, press on the shutter button and the countdown will appear and then the image will be taken. Again, you can choose a different time, so tap on the same icon again, select a different time. So for now we'll select 5 seconds. Process is the same. To start the countdown, press on the shutter button and the countdown will start. Then the image will be taken. If you choose to have the 10-second, then you just select it, tap on the shutter button, and the timing will start. If you wish to stop it, just press on this stop icon here, and the countdown will be stopped. And then if you press on it again, it will start from the chosen time. Now, if you don't want to keep using a timer, then you can just tap on the icon and then select the option that doesn't have a single number next to it. Now, the image will be taken automatically with no countdown appearing on your screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.